Today, I'll show you how to create call-only style ads in Google Ads. First, it's important to know that traditional call-only ads are being replaced. Google says that starting in February 2026, advertisers can no longer create new call ads, and by February 2027, existing call ads will stop receiving impressions. Google now recommends using responsive search ads with call assets instead. First, open Google Ads and log into your account. Click Create, then choose Campaign. Select a goal that fits phone leads, such as leads. Now choose Search as the campaign type. When Google asks what results you want from this campaign, select phone calls if that option appears. Enter your business phone number. Now continue to the campaign settings. Choose your target location, language, budget, and bidding strategy. For call-focused campaigns, you may want to optimize for leads or conversions if conversion tracking is already set up. Next, create your ad group. Add keywords that people might search before calling your business. For example, if you run a plumbing service, you might use keywords like emergency plumber, near me, or plumber, open now. Now, create a responsive search ad. Add strong headlines and descriptions that encourage people to call. For example, use phrases like call today, speak with an expert, or get a free quote. Next, add a call asset. Enter your phone number, choose the country, and enable call reporting if available. Call assets allow your phone number to appear with your search ad, helping users call directly from mobile devices. Google specifically recommends call assets as the replacement for call-only ads. Finally, review the campaign and publish it. After the campaign runs, check your reports for calls, clicks, conversions, and call length. And that's it. You now know how to create call-only style ads in Google Ads using responsive search ads and call assets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.